Welcome back to Sapima tutorial. We want to solve this problem on circle sector. We have a question that says a sector subtends an angle of 96 degrees at the center of the circle of radius 10 centimeters. We are asked to calculate in three significant figures perimeter of the triangle formed and the perimeter of the minor sector segment. So the first thing we do is to produce the circle and the sector in quotes. Is a circle. When I have radius, another radius, we have a sector. Then let me produce a triangle here by joining these 2 points. This is a chord. We label it A, B. So we are looking for perimeter of this triangle. This is the center. And then this minor segment. So the shaded portion, that is the second one. And then the triangle. So remember that the length of the triangle is 10 centimeter, the length of the radius. And then here is also 10 because radius are always equal. Then the angle subtended is 96. So here is 96 degrees. So to solve the perimeter of every shape, you are adding the length of all the shapes. So to find the perimeter of this triangle, I will add this length to this length and then to this length. So we have these two lengths, but we don't have this length now. This length is chord. Then we use the formula for the length of chord. Length of chord, which is 2 arrow sine theta over 2. This is the formula we use to find the length of the chord. Now let's substitute. That means we are going to have 2. Our radius is 10. Theta is 96. So we have sine 96 over 2. Then press your calculator very well. You will have 14.86. We found the length of this chord. So the next thing we have to do is to add this to this to this. So we are going to say 14.86 plus 10 plus 10. When we add, we have 34.86. We are asked to calculate in three significant figures. So we are going to have 34.9 approximating here. And then it is in centimeter. Remember that perimeter is measured in cm, not in cm squared. So this is the first part. Let's solve the second part. The second part is the perimeter of the minor segment. The minor segment is this shape from here to here. So perimeter is adding this length to this length. Now the length from here down to this point is called an arc of a circle. So we are going to be using the formula for the length of the arc of a circle to find the length from here down to this place. And that formula says theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So when we find this length, we add it up to this arc, which we already got as this. So let's solve. We'll be having the length to be theta, which is 96 over 360 times 2. Pi is 22 over 7. Then multiply this is 10, our radius. Then press your calculator very well. You should be obtaining 16.86. So this is the length of this chord, the length of the arc from here to here. So add the chord, you obtain the perimeter. The chord is 14.86. So we have 16.86 plus 14.86. That will give us 31.61. Then remember we are asked to approximate to three significant figures. That means we have 31.6 centimeter. That is the perimeter of the minor segment. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, share it to your friends, and follow for more interesting math tutorials. Bye.